And we start with all these big vaccination headlines coming out of the Carolinas, starting in particular with the news out of North Carolina, where we've learned the state plans to move further into Group 3 quite soon. And it's actually doing this a bit ahead of schedule, a lot quicker than originally expected. In addition to that, the state says it does plan to move into Group 4 vaccinations starting on March 24th, beginning with people with higher risk medical conditions. So we know that the state, as far as Group 3 is concerned, has already been vaccinating teachers and child care workers. They originally planned to get to others in Group 3 on the 10th, but now we're hearing that that date has been moved up to tomorrow. Group 3 including frontline essential workers like postal service employees, grocery store workers, first responders, restaurant employees, and public transportation.
And we were hearing more and more from a number of providers that they were ready to go to this category, that they still had people in these other categories, but they were having big events and they wanted to just make sure that they were using all the vaccine that they had as quickly as possible.
Now, the governor also said that this move further into Group 3 might not necessarily apply to all vaccine providers. It's really going to be case by case. Those providers who are still seeing high demand from prior groups, I should say, might not be able to make that move quite as quickly. We will have more on this coming up ahead at 5.